Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the Genus carbon tubular battery. But before we continue, I would like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, share to friends and family. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section below, and also our WhatsApp number will be displayed on the screen. So if you have any question, you can message us through our WhatsApp number, and also if you like to install a solar system in your homes, you can also message us through our WhatsApp number. This is a Genus carbon tubular battery. It has a capacity of 12 volts and a 230 amperes hour capacity. Here are the features of this Genus battery. Firstly, this battery has a longer lifespan. Also, this battery is used and is very good for appliances and equipment that requires high starting current like your fridge, your AC, which makes it better than sealed batteries like your AGM batteries, your gel batteries, and your fluided batteries. This battery is a heavy battery, so it comes with a rope structured handle to allow you to be able to carry the battery. So it comes with two rope structured handles, the first one and also the second one. Also, this battery, since it's a tubular battery, it has lead plates which are divided into sections in the battery. Here, as you can see, we have some caps here, some entry points here. We have 6 entry points here, which is where we are going to pour in our distilled water inside the battery, and also we are going to replace these caps here, these 6 caps here, with a water level indicator cap to monitor the level of our distilled water so as to know when to refill your distilled water. Also, here we have the battery terminals, the positive battery terminal and the negative terminals, which allows you to connect this battery to other batteries or connect this battery directly to the inverter. Also, this Genus battery is a very good brand. So I would advise anytime you want to get a tubular battery, you should go for a Genus tubular battery. Here are the accessories that comes with the Genus carbon tubular battery. Here we have the 6 water level indicator caps. As I've said earlier, we are going to use this to replace the cover caps on the tubular battery. Here on the water level indicator cap, as you can see, we have the red mark and also the green mark. The red mark means the water level of the tubular battery is low. That means it indicates that you should refill the battery with distilled water, and also the green mark indicates that the water level of the battery is okay. But before I replace the cover caps with the water level indicator caps, here also it comes with a bolt and nut screws, 2 bolt and nut screws, which allows you to connect cables to the battery.
Hey, before you continue watching this video, I want to quickly tell you about something. Have you heard about Opay before? Opay is a mobile banking app which allows you to transfer money to other banks and even Opay users, pay your bills like your electricity or cable bills, buy airtime or data to all network, and do some other transactions. When you create an account and join Opay, you get a welcome bonus of 1,200. But remember, for you to get the bonus, you must credit at least 2,000 naira from another bank. You get up to 6% cashback anytime you make a bill payment. There is free transaction and zero issues. You'll be able to get a instant and free debit card. All you need to do is for you to check the description section or the comment section for the link. Click the link and you'll be able to create your own Opay account. Now back to the video.
So before I replace the cover caps with these water level indicator caps, um as you can see, this white plastic is used to indicate, with these marks, indicate the water level of this tubular battery. But since this battery is factory charged and it is a new battery, and it comes with distilled water, so once I insert this water level indicator cap inside, it will be at the green mark. Okay, so let me remove the cover cap and let me insert it inside the entry point, the first entry point here. As you can see, the indicator is at the red mark, it's at the max level of, it's at the green mark, sorry, not the red mark. It's at the green mark. See the green color here? So that means the water level of this battery is okay, it's good. So then you are going to do that for the remaining 5 entry points. You are going to remove the cover caps of them and replace it with the water level indicator cap, and make sure these 6 water level indicator caps are the green color, so that you can be assured that the water level of the battery is okay. So we have come to the end of this video when we unbox and review the Genus carbon tubular battery. And if you like to get this battery and another solar system related accessories like your inverter battery, your solar panels, and your battery rack, and so on, you can contact us through our WhatsApp number that will be displayed on the screen, specifically Lagos and Lagos neighboring states. So I also release some other videos related to solar system. The video will be included as an info card here, and also at the end of this video as an end screen. And also the link to those videos will be included in the comment section and the description section of this video. See you in our next video. Bye.